1. Hail must be quarter-sized or larger. That's about 1 inch in diameter or bigger. As a general rule of thumb, this is the threshold at which hail can sometimes cause damage. In the case of quarter-sized hail, it can be damaging to shingles. Larger hail sizes can be more destructive. 2. Wind gusts must be 58 miles per hour or greater. The National Weather Service issues a severe thunderstorm warning when radar detects that a storm might produce winds of 58 miles per hour or higher. At least minor damage is possible when winds reach that threshold. Many severe gusts and storms are never directly measured because weather observations are relatively sparse. However, the National Weather Service can use damage reports to verify where a thunderstorm produced severe wind gusts. Three, the storm poses a tornado threat. This is the most straightforward criteria. A storm is automatically deemed severe if it's producing a tornado, no matter what size hail or wind gusts not associated with a tornado it might contain. That said, the hail and wind criteria also are often satisfied in a storm that's tornadic. 4. Not all severe thunderstorm warnings are the same. One thing to note is that not all storms that prompt a severe thunderstorm warning have the same threat level. The criteria for hail and wind mentioned earlier are the minimum thresholds. Warnings for a storm, or line of storms, with a threat of significantly stronger winds and/or large hail are placed in one of two higher-end categories. The text of these warnings will state the thunderstorm damage threat is either considerable or destructive, based on the minimum wind and/or hail criteria listed below. Warnings in the highest category, destructive, will automatically activate a wireless emergency alert, WEA, on mobile devices within the warned area. View the following chart on storm criteria for more information. Five, tornadoes. Report all tornadoes, including their duration and direction of movement. Give your current location, nearby roads or highways, the time of the occurrence and any observed damage. Do not place yourself in a dangerous situation. Maintain situational awareness. If you are mobile and the tornado fills your windshield view, you are too close. 6. Funnel cloud. Report all funnel clouds. Watch for rotation. Include their duration and direction of movement. Give your current location, nearby roads or highways, the time of the occurrence and any observed damage. Do not place yourself in a dangerous situation. Maintain situational awareness. If you are mobile and the funnel cloud fills your windshield view, you are too close. 7. Wall cloud. Report all wall clouds, including their duration and direction of movement. Give your current location, nearby roads or highways, the time of the occurrence and any observed damage. Do not place yourself in a dangerous situation. Maintain situational awareness. If you are mobile and the wall cloud fills your windshield view, you are too close. 8. Hail. Report hail 1/2 inch diameter or larger. Hail needs to be 1 inch, quarter size in diameter, to be considered severe. Always report the largest hailstone you have observed and describe in terms of common objects such as coins, golf balls, softballs, etc. Never report marble-sized hail, as marbles greatly differ in diameter and are not a reliable description of actual hail size. The size of the hailstone will always be described in terms of diameter. Also report hail that is accumulating and covering the ground. 9. Near continuous cloud-to-ground lightning. Only report lightning if it is continuous cloud-to-ground lightning. Do not report occasional or intermittent lightning strikes. 10. Winds. In most cases, unless you have an anemometer, spotters are to report wind damage using the following criteria. Report if wind breaks twigs and small branches. Report structural damage, such as chimney covers or roofing tiles blown off, or television antennas damaged. Note if ground is littered with small twigs and broken branches. Report if considerable structural damage occurs, especially on roofs or if small trees are blown over and uprooted. Report if widespread damage occurs or if larger trees are blown over and uprooted. Report severe and extensive damage such as roofs peeled off, windows broken, trees uprooted, RVs and small mobile homes overturned or moving automobiles being pushed off the roadways. 11. Heavy rain or snow. Report rain falling at a rate of 1 inch per hour or greater, half an inch in 30 minutes, or more than 1 inch per day in winter. Rapidly falling heavy rain may be a precursor to flash flooding. 12. Freezing rain or drizzle. Report any measurable freezing rain or freezing drizzle. This is one of the most dangerous weather hazards. 13. Heavy snow. Report heavy snow falling at 1 inch per hour or greater, or storm total of 4 inches or more, or snow causing road closures. 14. Flooding. Report any water flowing where it normally does not, or rivers flowing above their banks. 15. Flash flooding. Report rapid rises in creeks and streams. Flash flooding occurs very quickly and is generally greater than 3 hours duration. 16. Low visibility. Report visibility less than half a mile for any reason, fog, haze, blowing dust, blowing snow, etc. 17. Any and all weather-related damage, death, or injury. If weather causes any damage, death, or injury, report it. In reporting a death or injury, never broadcast the names of the injured or deceased parties. Reporting via amateur radio. When submitting a storm report via amateur radio, be sure to do the following. 1. Key your mic for 1 second before beginning speaking to allow time for the repeaters to activate. 2. State net control this is and give your call sign first phonetically and then normally. 3. Wait for net control acknowledgement before proceeding with your storm report. 4. State your location, including nearest roads or highways. 5. State that you are monitoring if not giving a storm report, or give your storm report using the previously stated criteria. Include the time that you observe the weather type or damage. 6. Once net control acknowledges your report, there is no need to respond back. Reporting via amateur radio. Storm reports received by net control will be logged and all appropriate reports will be relayed to the National Weather Service on your behalf. Thank you for reviewing this presentation on amateur radio storm reporting. This presentation was produced by ARETA Inc., the Amateur Radio Education and Training Association, a 501c3 not-for-profit educational organization. This presentation was produced using National Weather Service spotter reporting guidelines. For more information, see https://www.weather.gov/rev/reporting_guidelines.